In this video, I'm going to show how to apply multiple design standards to a single horizontal geometry complex element. So you can see here that I have created a horizontal geometry element. It is a complex element, as you can see here in element information. When I created that, I applied a design standard, and it is set at 20 miles per hour. So you can see here that I have no errors that are showing up with regard to the design standard. So what I want to do now is change this first curve here to have a design standard that's different than the rest of the alignment. So I want this curve here to be a 60 mile per hour design standard. So to do that, I'll go in and select that complex element. If I expand it here in element information, you can see that I have the 20 miles per hour applied to the entire element. But if I take a look at the fillets, you also see that they have individual design standards applied to them. So that one's at 20 miles per hour. If we take a look at the second one here, that is also at 20 miles per hour. So if I want to change that first one, I would simply select it. I would go down here to the section Design Standard to Linear Element Rule, and I can select 60 miles per hour from the drop down. When I do that, you see it update here, as well as when you zoom in, you do get the error messages because this is too tight of a radius here. And you can see that design standard value of 1500 is the one that corresponds to 60 miles per hour. That's the first way to do that. You can also do it on the fly as you're creating an alignment. So I'm going to begin to draw this horizontal geometry. And I have my design standard set to 20 miles per hour. So that's what I'll use for this first curve. And then for the second curve, I can go in and change that to 60. And now when I take a look at this in element information, you see for the individual fillets, I have 20 for the first one and 60 for the second.